Hey friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to permanently delete files on Sora. On top of that, I'm going to also show you how to delete files normally. So if you have folders or you have your media files, I'm going to show you how you can do that. So let's go ahead and take, for example, a file and a folder. On the lower left hand side, you have these folders. I can click on it, and to remove or delete a file, just simply click the bin icon and send it to trash, or click the three dots and you will have the option to remove from folder. Now let's go ahead and just delete this image here, and as you can see, it says image trashed, right? So if I go ahead and let's say go to my trash, this image should in no time move to my trash, as you can see. Now you also have the media. You can also click the trash icon on the image and you will be able to delete that file there as well. If I go to my trash, you'll find those images there, and you can click there and you can easily go ahead and delete those images forever if you want to. So if I want to delete this forever, I can click on delete forever, then click on delete again, and that's it. Very easy and very simple.